Okay guys, I'm going to show you something really cool today, how you can make your own little hand sanitizer without all the crappy chemicals and antibacterials and triclosan and the stuff that's really not good for you in your traditional hand sanitizer. So you can make something super simple with your oils, but better yet, you can upcycle. So this is my hand sanitizer. You can see it's a little worse for wear in that it's been bounced around in my bag a lot. But all this is an empty oil bottle. So right there, just an empty 15 ml oil bottle. And then I bought some of these little tops that you can get online. I got them at a local just wellness store called Purdy Natural in London. And but you can get them on My Essential Biz. You can get them all over the place. But it's just a tiny little spray cap. You can see that the one I used, I cut the bottom just to fit the oil bottle. And that's all I've had in here, and it hasn't leaked. It's been fantastic. I made a whole bunch of these at one point for giveaways, and they were really great little giveaways. So this one is almost empty, so I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'll just refill it. Now, in my original recipe, I used vitamin E oil and fractionated coconut oil. Today, I'm just gonna use fractionated coconut oil because you don't need the vitamin E oil. It's just nice to have sometimes for extra softness in your hands. But the fractionated coconut oil is fantastic. So all the recipe for this is gonna be, it would ordinarily be a 1/4 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil and vitamin E oil, but I don't have the vitamin E. So I'm gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. So there it is, 1/2 teaspoon fractionated coconut oil, just right into my little oil bottle. I've got a Kleenex here, just in case I have any little spills. And then all I'm putting in here, this is the mind-blowing part, is On Guard. I'm gonna put anywhere between 5 to 7 drops in here. You really don't need a lot. It's a very powerful oil. That's plenty. And I like to add a little wild orange because it's awesome. I love the smell of it. It really blends nicely with the On Guard. So same thing, I put about 5 to 7 drops. And then, so I've got my oil in there, I've got my On Guard, my wild orange, and I'm just gonna top this with regular old tap water. That's how simple it is. Now, because I go through this pretty fast, I just use tap water, but I could use distilled water. So oftentimes I might use distilled water, or I've even used witch hazel, which is fantastic too, but you don't have to. You don't need any of that because you go through this pretty fast. It's already got the On Guard and the wild orange in there. And then all I'm doing is popping this back on. And then when I need to shake it, because that oil and water will separate, so I will need to shake it. But then when I use it, it's simple, spray, spray. Deep inhale. The oil in here with the fractionated coconut oil keeps your hands soft instead of feeling really dry and alcohol-like. And then you've got this natural little hand sanitizer to travel with, and it's so, so easy. The other thing I like to do is make a roller bottle with simply On Guard and fractionated coconut oil in a 10 ml roller bottle, and that becomes my hand sanitizer as well when I'm traveling, and it's just a little more powerful because it's more concentrated with the fractionated coconut oil and the On Guard. But this little guy is so simple and easy to use with the kids. So enjoy. Give it a try.